Welcome to Academic Heights World School, where education transcends the ordinary. Our vision is to nurture the students into well-rounded individuals who will become responsible citizens of our society, our nation and the world at large. I am Rosie Ahuja, Director of Academic Heights World School. In our school, we are providing modern infrastructure, wonderful playgrounds and AC building is there. Because it is our belief that these days these all things are very much necessary to give the ambience, to give the comfort to all our students. In Delhi, extreme weather is there. So students should not worry about the temperature and all these things. We want to focus on their holistic development, where they would love to come. School is a place where they love to come. As we all know that NEP and NCF curriculum is there. These days these things are very much important, because the olden days are gone where the teaching was only from the books only. Now the focus is on the learning, and learning is also experiential learning, where the child will learn by doing all these things, by understanding the concepts. So all these things are really good for the personality, for the holistic growth of students. As students are coming from the different backgrounds in our school, we ensure that in our premises no differentiation is there due to their economical or the status background. All the facilities are same for all the students. Teaching facilities, all the teachers are well trained and all the facilities are there for each and every student. Yes, I want to give one message to my all parents. They should focus on the growth of their child, on the holistic development of their child. It is not a question of learning or for doing rote memorization of any concept of any book. Real learning should be there. They should learn the skills, so that whenever they are out from this school, they should be capable of handling all the challenges of their life. Every child is unique, and there are many unique qualities in each and every child. So our work starts from there. We have to recognize their talents, their skills, and there we promote their skills. We give them the atmosphere in a way where they can grow their skills and they can bring the perfection in their skills. So they will be the responsible citizens of this country.